Question number 11. Question number 11 says the diagram illustrates the effect of placing a specific tax equal to Jm on a good, which area represents a total tax receipts. Before the tax was implemented, the curve was S1, the supply curve was S1, and the demand curve was D1, and the total quantity that was being sold was this quantity here. But then as a result of the tax, the supply curve now shifts leftwards, and now we are on this supply curve, which is S2. And so the new quantity that is being sold in this market is equal to this quantity here, right here. So now that we understand the new market equilibrium, now let's look at how do we calculate the total tax receipts. So the total tax receipts that are collected is equal to, so tax receipts, we calculate this by multiplying the tax with the quantity which is sold in that market. Now if we look at the diagram, we know that the quantity that is being sold is here, so this is the quantity that is being sold, and the tax we know from the question is Jm. So that means that the tax revenue is equal to Jm, which is the tax, multiplied by the quantity. So now let's look at which points on the diagram represent the quantity which is being sold. So first we have Jm, which represents the tax. So this represents the tax, which is this part here. Now we need to find out the quantity. So the quantity is this. If we now move this upwards and see which area or which distance represents the quantity, we know that this point Z to point M. So this is the quantity. So the total tax that we have is actually this area, which I am now highlighting. So which means that the area which represents this is XJMZ, XJMZ, which is this total area. And according to the options, the correct option that represents this area is option number D. So this is the correct answer.